Ma'am, parang good mood ka to today ah.
Surprise kasi ako ng mga section ko.
Oh, grabe. Dami naman yan, ma'am.
Wow, Ma'am Lopez, happy na! Teacher's Day pa!
Totoo, mahal na mahal ka siguro ng mga students mo, no?
Oo nga eh. Wala naman sa regalo yan.
Ma'am, saan pa ilalagay to?
Ay, thank you na.
Una na po ako, ma'am.
Mga ma'am sir, kain tayo.
Ma'am, cake, ma'am!
Wag na kayo na lang. Magkaka-diabetes pa ako dyan.
Sing bitter siya na kape niya. Ma'am?
What?
Ma'am, ako po to.
Yeah. Psst, sabi sa inyo, ito na. May nagsuntukan.
Po? Wala naman po, ma'am.
May natae.
Natae. Wala din, ma'am.
Ang awiting ito'y...
Po?
What is it?
Para daw po sa'yo to, ma'am.
Nag-abala pa talaga kayo na. Kuy, di na kailangan. Ano to? Toothbrush? Ano pinapahiwatig nyo?
Ma'am, di po yan sa amin. May parcel ka po daw sa guardhouse.
Package? Ay, padala pala to ni Colgate.
Kung naghanap ka ng sign na mag-toothbrush, eto na yon. Taray ng packaging.
This one is from Colgate and they sent me my go-to favorite Fresh Confidence toothpaste.
And I'm so excited to announce that they added whitening effect to the new product. It also came with some stickers, an invitation to celebrate the launch of Colgate Fresh Confidence White Blast in a night of fun, dancing, music, and leveled up freshness experience. And of course, may pag-game card pa sila.
Tell us about that chance spotlight moment when you needed to step up and shine. Ako, I remember before, yung nag-start ako sa paggawa ng contents, ang daming what ifs. What if hindi funny para sa mga tao? What if i-judge ako ng mga tropa ko nung nakita nila yung video ko? What if makita ng parents ko? Nawalan ako ng pag-asa, but then I chose to step up, kinapalan yung mukha ko, at napatuloy sa paggawa ng content.
Until I got casted sa mga movies.
During the taping, it was my first time to act in front of a real cameraman and production team kasi sanay ako mag-shoot alone. It was really a curveball moment for me, but I stepped up. O diba? Confidence starts from within. May good news ako. You can go and attend the launch party together with your +1 if mananalo ka. All you have to do is to answer my question. Tell us about that chance spotlight moment when you needed to step up and shine. I'll be choosing the winners down the comment section and I will announce it on this date. Plus, ako mismo yung magdi-DM sa inyo pag panalo kayo. Kaya comment na!
Ha? Content creator si ma'am?